Hello, curious friends! Today we're going on a special adventure to Vietnam to discover something amazing that's used in lots of Vietnamese food. It's called rice paper. Rice paper is made from rice flour and water. It's steamed into thin sheets, then dried on big, round bamboo mats under the warm sun. Isn't that incredible? When the rice paper is dried, it is hard and crunchy. But guess what happens when you dip it in a little water? Something magical. It turns soft and stretchy, just like a blanket. Rice paper starts out crispy, but with water, it becomes bendy and ready to roll. Now, let's see what rice paper can do. First up, it wraps around noodles, herbs, shrimp, and veggies to make fresh spring rolls, crunchy carrots, soft noodles, fresh cucumbers, and lettuce all rolled up in a yummy little package. But rice paper isn't just for fresh rolls. It can be used to make crispy fried spring rolls too. Sizzle, sizzle, golden and crunchy. And look at this rice paper on the grill, topped with eggs, herbs, and sauce. Some people call this Vietnamese pizza. Yum! Want something zesty and fun? In Vietnam, people cut rice paper into pieces and mix it with mango, peanuts, shrimp, and herbs to make a chewy, crunchy salad. And sometimes rice paper is even used to wrap sticky candy. You can eat the candy and the wrapper. Rice paper is super cool, don't you think? From soft rolls to crispy treats, salads to sweets, this little magic sheet can do it all. Thanks for joining us on this tasty trip to Vietnam. Until next time, keep exploring, friends!